method we will do? We will divide by, because both 30 and here we will divide by 30. It becomes 10 upon 3. So the ratio is 10:3. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
First, you see what we have done. We have equal the units, because left side you see it is in meter, right side you see it is in centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now I will do the second one for you. That is 3 years and 9 months. That also same way you have to solve it up. First you have to come bring them into the same unit. Okay. I'll solve and I will just send you. Okay. You can see that. Now you see, child,
Yes, ma'am.
it becomes like 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay. So 2 years will be 2 into 12. That becomes 24 months. Okay. This short form I've written of months. Okay. Now the ratio, what is the ratio out here? Now you see here also the 24 months years we have converted to months, and here you see 9 months are there. So it becomes 24 upon 9. Okay. Clear, child? Now the ratio is 24 is to 9. Now what we have to do? We have to divide it up. So we will divide that both the numbers are coming in the table of 3, it is coming. So we will divide this also by 3, and here also we will divide 9 by 3. So the ratio 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. So here comes 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Here becomes 3. So this is the ratio of this number 2 years 9 months. It is 8:3. Understood? Have you understood?
Please move on to the next question.
Now I'll just move on to the next question. Now see, I've taken one question, that is one. This question I will take. This is also the example of the first question, one question of part of the first question only. Like when it is in the whole number, that is mixed one, then how you solve it up. So first what you have to do, you have to solve it like 2 ones are 2 and 1 3. 3 upon 2, first you have to bring into the fraction form. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5 upon 2. This you know now how to solve it. Huh?
Ma'am, like the last question that you explained it up. So could you please tell that that how did you simplify it?
I'll show you. Now, see, I'll tell you how I have done. Like it is suppose 2 years, 9 months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. First, we will convert the years to month. So in a 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months are there. Okay. So here we have 2 years. So 2 years is what we will multiply by 12. So it becomes 24 months. So we have solved 2 years. We have converted 2 years to 12 months. Okay, now you see this side also the months are there, and here 9 months is already there. Now both the units have become equal out here. What we have done, now we have to, it is 24 upon 9. Ratio becomes 24 is to 9. Now we have to divide like both with the number in which the table these both numbers are coming. 24 is also coming in the table of 3. 9 is also coming in the table of 3. When we divide, you see 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9. The ratio, the final answer is 8 is to 3.
Now the
Understood?
like there's a simple calculation that you know that which number we will be multiplying it. So in the further questions that how we will know that how we just calculate with which number or
I'll
with
tell.
whom
That is what I told you. How you have to calculate up. Here you have to check. These two numbers are coming in which table. Okay. That same number you have to divide with that.